So it's May 2022 and you're just looking for the largest list of secret Netflix codes. Now, if you didn't know, Netflix have a library of about 16,000 titles, but they also have so many hidden categories, hidden genres, hidden compilations that can be accessed with these secret codes. Now I'll show you all of these codes in just a second, directly where you can get them from. But let's now jump over to the Firestick so I can demonstrate some of these codes in real time. Let's say, for example, I'm interested in basketball movies and the code for that is 127-127-62. So I just type that in. It doesn't look like it's going to do anything. And we now get a complete collection of basketball movies. Similarly, let's say I'm interested in spy thrillers. So if I now type in the code 9147, and we can see straight away, we now get to see a complete collection of spy thrillers. I mean, you get the idea, guys. So similarly, let's say I'm interested in some food and travel. So I can type in the code 72436. Give that a second. And we now get lots of food related content. So a really nice way for you to find some new content, find the genres or categories that you're interested in, type them directly into your application or via browser, and you can then find all of that content. Now what I've done is I've created a new post on my website which has all of these hidden categories. So now to access any of these codes, and I will show you the benefit of doing this from your PC or maybe your phone, just open up a browser and then just type in the word bit.ly/tduk, then N for Netflix, and then the word codes. So tduk, the letter N, then codes. Let's press enter. And this is basically a short code which will take you directly to my site onto this page, which has all of those secret Netflix codes. And as I find any other codes on the internet, I'll add them to this page. So as long as you remember this URL, you can bookmark it, add it to your favorites. You'll always have the latest version of these codes. And here are all of the categories, guys. So everything from your action and adventure, all of the subcategories. Then you've got a very large section for anime, and you can see the code for each of these sections is written inside the brackets. Now the benefit of doing this from your PC or on a place where you've logged into Netflix, let's say for example I'm interested in Westerns. I can click on this. We can see that instantly opens up Netflix for me in another tab and takes me direct to the Westerns category, which we can see up here. Now I can now browse this massive library of Westerns. Let's go back to my list. Let's say for example I'm interested in comedies, but I particularly want slapstick comedies. So let's click on this, open your tab, and here are all of the slapstick comedies. I'm wondering if Airplane or The Police Squad is in here. There we go. Well, there's The Naked Gun, so close enough. Let's go back. Then you got cult movies, you got documentaries, dramas, foreign movies. Let's have a look at foreign movies, as I know I do have an international audience. So let's say for example I'm interested in Spanish movies. Click on that. That opens up Netflix for me, and I can now see this library of Spanish content. Let's go back. We have sports movies, we have thrillers, TV shows, and then we have the massive library of movie types. So here, guys, you can literally knock yourself out. Every possible category, every possible compilation, you'll be able to find it on here. So let's say for example I'm only interested in Harrison Ford. I can click on this, and this should now show me action movies only with Harrison Ford. I mean, look at that, guys. What a great way for you to find content. That's working great. Critically acclaimed, witty British movies. Let's check that out. And you can see, guys, I mean, the options are endless. So if you are looking for new content or trying to find different content on Netflix, going through this massive list of different options, different compilations, I'm sure you'll be able to find something to watch. And as I said at the start of this video, I will be keeping this list up to date. So if any new secret codes or secret categories come out, I'll be updating this page. So that's all for this video, guys. Many thanks for watching. I just thought I'd share this quick video today, giving you all of these new secret codes and the best way you can enjoy them on all of your devices, giving you access to some amazing content. So if you find this video useful, then do give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more stuff like this, then please do subscribe, hit the notification bell with all notifications, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.